time po kasi si James when I have like crying scenes, especially dito. Sometimes, yung kamay ko, hinahawakan niya, gano'n, or hugs, hinihigpitan niya. Kasi ewan ko for some reason, when I do that, parang mas lumalabas. Ako po kasi, pag nandun na ako, may times na nagpipigil ako, pag mga crying scenes po dito, nagpipigil ako, may times na sumusobra ako. Pag kulang, pag nag-hold back ako, parang tinutulungan niya ako na i-release ko lang, mag-relax, and all that. Pag sumusobra naman po ako, parang siya naman yung okay, relax. Huwag masyado. Yung tama, ganito lang, kailangan. Parang ganun.
I don't know, just by being there. Because I really need someone to be there to help me feel something. I can't just close my eyes and then, okay, I'm ready to do this. I need to interact with someone. So always I'm looking at her eyes or her hair or something. I find something that I like about her, and then that's what I use.
What are your birthday plans?
Birthday plans? Actually, we have work. But I also have a charity event. My birthday is May 11. So it's just in a couple of days. Next week, yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Ayun, since na-open na yung birthday. Ano yung birthday message? Or wish ng birthday?
Yay!
Well, stay as you are. Talagang thank you. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for being my partner in crime. And sana ganyan ka lang. Always. I mean, if you have like issues or problems, you can talk about it naman. You can tell me. I'll always be here. Good lang.
Walang place, sorry. Last na daw.
Okay.
During your yung uber successful na fever tour,
Yes.
isa sa mga pinaka-trending doon lagi yung OJTs niyo.
OJ.
Ano yung favorite OJTs niyo dalawa? Yung parang ginagawa po nila every
Reach
most
out.
shows.
May
Nose to
mga
nose, ganyan.
It's a dance, it's like spin in and then the dip. Because VJ Kiko and Kito and Chad, they had to demonstrate for us. So Chad was spinning Kito and then dip them down and then kiss them. So fun.
That's your favorite.
That's my favorite one.
How about
Wait lang, may naisip ako pero huwag na lang yun.
Nose to nose.
Well, the hardest for me, the hardest na lang, and pinaka-memorable for me was the one with the cards. Kasi hindi ko po siya talaga magawa. Kasi yung card ko kailangan
Dinaglag ba?
ipapass.
Dinalaglag?
No,
Dinaglag?
that almost daw po. Yung card ko kasi kailangan ipapass namin na hindi malalaglag. Hindi ko po siya I don't know, hindi po siya nagsistick. Palagi siya nalalaglag. So yun po, pinaka-memorable for me. Thank you po.
Okay, that's for question answer. So, thank you guys again for coming. Pakichismis naman po. May mall shows ang para sa Hopeless Romantic. Catch the stars of the movie as it for SM City Navaliches and Fisher Mall on May 7. SM City Cebu on May 8. SM City Manila and Market on May 9. And Marquee Mall on May 10. And then may premiere po, grand premiere on the 12th. Tuesday at SM Mega Mall. Yeah, so now we'll ask the panelists for the final message for the fans, the readers of our blog, for the friends of our bloggers. Final message. Marcelo.
Ayun, maraming salamat po sa pumunta and sana po masuportahan niyo yung movie na para sa Hopeless Romantic May 13 na. And maraming salamat.
Yes, maraming salamat din po. At sana po ma-enjoy nyo yung movie and kiligin kayo lahat na ma-feel nyo yan. May 13 na po showing na para sa Hopeless Romantic.
And thank you po and sana ma-enjoy niyo.
Thank you po. And sobrang thank you po kasi dinedicate niyo po to for the JD fans. Super thank you po. Maraming salamat.
We hope you actually watch the film because I know you'll like it. Really excited. We waited so long for this. And thank you for the support.
Right. I hope to see you on the 12th. Because that's the premiere night. Doon natin makikita kung nag-work. Okay. So, please tabi ka sa akin. So, ganunin mo na lang ako. Nag-work. Diba? At maraming salamat for always supporting JD and our film and Viva Films and Star Cinema. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. May 13 po.
Thank you. Now you can take photos and meron po tayong sa Marianta sa labas. Thank you guys.